I'm going to show you how to set up an AC with a sliding door where it doesn't obstruct your use of the sliding door whatsoever. You can fully use your door without having a piece of wood here or having one of those really expensive conversion kits that I can't actually seem to find to purchase. This cost pretty much nothing. You can use stuff you have laying around your house. So what you're going to do is you have two sliding doors. You're going to take the second one that's towards the side that doesn't open, and there's going to be two brackets. There's a bracket up there. I've already removed it. It looks like this. It's the same one at the top, one at the bottom. It's one screw. You're just going to remove it, and then that will allow this entire door to slide over. So what you do is you slide over this door, get you a piece of cardboard. This is cardboard right here that I've just spray painted white, just kind of makeshift. I might go ahead and use wood, so you can use wood also. Just get, I don't remember the measurements on this, but you can just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and have them custom cut you a piece of wood that you can stick in here and then just seal it. Mine's a temporary fix, so we're just using tape, cardboard, and spray paint. I've just cut it to the width of the AC vent. I've moved over the door enough for it to fit, put it in, taped it. I'm in the process of taping. I've already taped this side to seal it, and then I'm going to tape in that side, and that's it. You can turn on your AC. Works perfectly. I actually had this already set up, but we had to move the doors to have some furniture delivered. So I took it down and I'm just putting it right back again. So this is a perfect setup if you are tight on cash, you just want an easy, quick fix. It's a rental unit, you don't want to put anything long term, you really invest into anything to make a solution, and you of course want full access to your sliding door, which you can see here. It doesn't obstruct it in any way. It ends here and it has plenty of room to open up, and that's it. So there's only one other thing. There's these brackets right here. If you see those holes, these brackets were up there, and that's basically a door stop for this door to not hit when you open it all the way. But we don't really have that problem anymore. It's going to stop because this is pushed out from against the wall. Sorry about the lighting. I'm shooting against the light. So it's going to stop because this door is pushed out now, so you really don't need these, but I put it back anyway just so I don't lose parts of the unit that aren't mine. So there's just one at the top, and same thing, there's one down there, and that's it. Literally will cost you $0. I'm sure everybody has a box laying around that they can cut up. This isn't one box. This is multiple pieces that I've taped together. So cut up a piece of a cardboard from an Amazon purchase or eBay purchase, get some tape, spray paint it if you want, that's it, you're done.